Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use formula fields in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to go to our Objects Manager so we can create some custom fields. And basically, here we click on the Objects Manager, and if you cannot find it here, you can go to Home and search for Objects Manager. After that, we need just to search or to choose any object that you would like. And I'm going to choose the account. And from here, we go to fields and relationships. So I'm going to click on new. Then here we will find the formula field. So this is just a read-only field that will start generating formula based on some operations. So you cannot add them or something, but it will be generated automatically. So I'm just going to click on next and you give it a field name. So my field or anything. And I'm going here. And basically you will need just to choose the formula return type. So if you want it to be a currency or a text, percent or whatever. So from here, this is some example formula. So this is how you can do it or how you can calculate this formula. And basically we need just to click on next. So from here you will need just to start inserting the fields that you would like. So I'm just going to search, for example, the annual revenue and for example billing latitude, and like this you will need just to do some operators. So as you can see, there is the add operator, etc. And basically you will need just to start formulating your formula, and then you will divide it by something and it will give you the percent. And when you finish, you will need just to check the syntax. So for example like that, and it will check the syntax and it is correct, and you will click on next, and all the result of this value will be displayed in this field formula. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.